Organisers of the TruJuice cross-country 5K run walk say the event will serve multiple purposes for the wider community in its host parish of St. Catherine. The run, which has made a return to the calendar, sees its annual proceeds go to the Linstead Public Hospital. But the Dintil High School will also see a couple of its sports team benefit in a unique way.
As a background training leading into the season for September, our track team too will be running in the off season in preparation for the next season. So we definitely will be a part of this 5K run walk.
CEO of the Linstead Public Hospital, Camille Wallen-Panton, says the event's contribution to the St. Catherine-based health facility is invaluable.
What I can tell you, this event is very important to us. From 2016, the proceeds of this run walk event has been going towards the Linstead Hospital, and it will help us to purchase needed equipment because, as you know, this is hospital and we are always in need. The government provide funds, but when you have corporate companies like TruJuice come on board and support us, it is always going towards a very good need.
Ambassador, reigning Olympic 100-meter hurdles bronze medalist Megan Tapper is urging patrons to come out as they strive to increase the participation from the last staging.
We'd absolutely love it to go to 5,000. Yes, Linstead is not one of the biggest places in Jamaica, but we can do it. Small but Talawa, that is Jamaica, that is me, that is TruJuice, that is all of us.
Alan Beckford is the race director.
This is one of the most beautiful courses you'll ever. You'll have a river, wonderful river after to cool down in. You'll be running through the orchards. Not only orange trees, coconut trees, sugar cane, so you'll really have a picturesque run all the way. So it's something that you'll not feel the pain at all because you'll be enjoying it so much.
The event is scheduled for June 4.